In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF within Notion. If you're looking to enhance your Notion pages by adding PDF files that you can view directly within your workspace, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this step-by-step process together. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to upload or embed your PDFs seamlessly. Let's start by navigating to Notion. Open up your preferred web browser and go to Notion. Once there, log into your Notion account using your credentials. From your dashboard, locate and open the Notion page where you'd like to embed your PDF. It could be a new page you've just created, or an existing page where you want the PDF to reside. Now, let's move to the process of embedding the PDF. In your Notion page, click anywhere within the empty space or wherever you'd like to place your PDF. Type the command .pdf to bring up the block menu specifically designed for PDF files. This is a great shortcut to directly access the options related to PDFs without having to scroll through various block selections. Once the PDF block menu is open, you'll see a list of options. Simply select PDF from these options. This will prompt Notion to ask for your next move concerning the file source. Here, you have multiple options to consider. The first option is to upload a PDF from your computer. Click on the Upload option within the PDF menu. This prompts a window where you can browse through your computer's directories to select the PDF file you wish to upload. Once you've located your desired file, click on it, then hit Open. This initiates the upload process, and shortly your PDF will appear on your Notion page. Alternatively, if your PDF is available online, you can choose to embed it using a link. Simply copy the shareable link of your PDF from its online source and paste it into the designated field in Notion. This way, Notion will link to this online PDF, embedding it directly into your page so you can access it without having to upload the file. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop your PDF file from your computer directly onto the Notion page. This function is quick and equally effective for integrating your PDF seamlessly. And there you have it. Once uploaded or embedded, Notion will process your file and display it within the page, allowing you to interact with it directly. This embedded PDF will now be an integral part of your Notion page content. We hope you've found this tutorial helpful and that you enjoy utilizing the seamless capabilities of Notion to keep your documents and projects neatly organized and highly accessible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of Notion.